You've probably tried launching eBooks, or maybe tinkered with AI tools. But what if I told you that combining both could build a $10,000 system without writing a single line of code? You're tired of chasing trends that don't scale, your eBooks don't bring in recurring income, and building an app feels too technical or expensive. I've made the same mistakes, creating products with no real ecosystem. I used to create isolated products too. One ebook here, a random app idea there. Nothing worked until I connected them. Once I learned how to connect eBooks, AI apps, and email funnels together, it finally clicked. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to turn one idea into both an ebook and an AI app, and how to make them feed each other into a sustainable income system. Before we start, I put the templates and free resources I'm using in this video into a starter pack you can download in the description. They'll help you build your first mini ecosystem faster. The magic isn't in the ebook or the app alone, it's in what I call the dual ecosystem. This is where most people go wrong. They sell an ebook and the transaction ends there, or they build an app and struggle to get users. The dual ecosystem connects them into a self-reinforcing loop that builds momentum automatically. Here's how it works. Your ebook acts as the perfect entry point. It attracts highly targeted leads who are already interested in your niche. By offering immense value, it builds trust and, most importantly, collects valuable email addresses. Then that email list becomes the bridge to your AI app. The app provides real ongoing utility. It's not a one-time read. It's a tool that keeps users engaged and coming back. This engagement opens up natural opportunities for upgrades and upsells. Together, they create a powerful cycle. The ebook generates value and captures leads. Those leads are directed to the app. The app provides ongoing utility and monetization opportunities. And users of the app are then perfect candidates for your next ebook or course. It might sound complicated, but with AI tools like Cursor and DeepSeek, this entire process becomes surprisingly simple, almost like assembling building blocks. You can turn each video you create into an ebook chapter, or the other way around. That's how I build digital ecosystems instead of random content that dies after a few days. If you want to go deeper and follow the exact ecosystem I use, I built a community where you get the starter course, templates, and weekly Q&A. The link is in the description. Inside the community, you'll get my ecosystem blueprint that shows you exactly how these pieces fit together, so you can apply them to any niche or app idea you're working on. Let's start with step 1, building your ebook foundation. The goal here isn't to write a masterpiece, it's to create a high-value marketing engine, fast. First, find your niche. This should be directly aligned with the app you plan to build. If your app idea is a meal planner for busy professionals, your ebook should be the 7-day meal prep guide for high achievers. The synergy starts here. Next, use AI to accelerate content creation. Instead of staring at a blank page, you can use prompts in a tool like DeepSeek or ChatGPT to draft entire chapters. For example, a prompt could be, draft a 500-word chapter on the benefits of batch cooking for saving time, written in an encouraging and practical tone for a busy audience. The AI will generate a solid first draft that you can then edit and personalize. This cuts the writing time by over 80%. For design, you don't need to be a graphic artist. Tools like Canva or Designer R offer professional-looking templates for covers and interior layouts. You can create a polished ebook in under an hour. The most critical part is integrating calls to action. Don't just end your ebook with a conclusion. Instead, embed buttons and links throughout the text that say, try my free AI meal planner app here. This turns every reader into a potential app user. Also include a link to a dedicated sign-up page for an email list, offering a bonus checklist or template. With this strategy, your ebook is no longer just a product, it's an automated engine for generating highly qualified leads for your app. Now for step 2, building your AI app without code. This is where it gets really exciting. I'm going to show you how I turned my eBooks ideas into a working AI tool using Cursor and DeepSeek. Forget everything you think you know about app development. The new generation of AI tools has changed the game. Let's break them down. Cursor is a code editor that works like an AI partner. You describe what you want in plain English, and it generates the code. DeepSeek handles complex reasoning and logic, acting as the brain of your app. To store user data like logins and preferences, we use Supabase, which offers a free tier with a database and authentication system. Finally, we deploy the app with a service like Versal or Replete, putting it online with one click. Here's the process. First, define your app idea. For example, a prompt generator that creates healthy meal plans based on user preferences from our ebook. Second, open Cursor and describe the app. Create a simple web interface with a text box for dietary preferences, a button that says Generate Meal Plan, and an area to display the output. Cursor generates the front-end code instantly. Third, use DeepSeek's API to power the logic. In Cursor, prompt it. When the button is clicked, take the user's preferences, send them to DeepSeek to generate a 3-day meal plan, and display the response. Finally, connect Supabase to let users create accounts and save favorite meal plans by prompting Cursor to add a login page and save functions. No programming skills are needed, just clearly describe what your app should do and these tools handle the rest. This works because everything is linked in a single ecosystem. The biggest mistake beginners make is building disconnected assets that never grow together. If you want the exact prompts and starter templates I use for ebooks and apps, they're inside the free download pack in the description. With the ebook and app ready, it's time for the key step, combining them into an automated funnel for scalable income. First, offer the ebook as a lead magnet, free to capture emails or priced around $5 to attract serious buyers. The goal is to collect genuinely interested emails. Second, your thank you page should do more than say thanks. Your ebook is on its way. As a bonus, get free access to the companion AI tool. This introduces your app immediately. Third, position the AI app as the next logical step. The ebook teaches the what and why. The app delivers the how. Fourth, set up an automated email sequence with ConvertKit. First email delivers the ebook, second reminds about the app, third shares a success story, and later emails promote premium features or affiliates. Fifth, create a bridge page with a short demo video and possibly an exclusive offer. The synergy is clear. If your ebook is 101 AI prompts for health coaches, your app is the AI prompt coach generating client plans. Together, they form a complete automated micro business, not two separate products. So how does this system make money and scale to $10,000 plus? The beauty is multiple compounding revenue streams. First, sell the ebook on platforms like Gumroad or Lemon Squeezy for immediate cash flow. Second, offer the AI app freemium, hook users with a free tier, then sell a pro upgrade for monthly or annual access with advanced features or unlimited use. Third, bundle them as a starter kit with the ebook, lifetime pro app access, and bonus templates for a high value price. Fourth, use affiliate links and email upsells, promoting tools or courses for commissions. Platforms like System.io or a combination of ConvertKit and Gumroad work well. Each new ebook or mini app adds another branch to your income tree, scaling earnings without linearly increasing your workload. It can feel overwhelming, but once you build your first ebook funnel and connect it to an AI app, everything becomes modular. Your next project isn't starting from zero, it's swapping content. AI handles content creation and coding while you guide the AI to build your vision. The key is to start. Don't try to build the entire $10,000 system in a weekend. Begin with your first ebook or simple app. Get it working, and the rest follows more easily than you imagine. To help you get started immediately, I've put together resources and templates. You'll find everything in the description, including my free course in my school community. These are the exact frameworks I use. I've linked templates and example setups to help you start today. Recap the formula. One topic leads to two products, an ebook and an AI app, which combine to create one automated system. You don't need a team, massive budget, or a computer science degree. All you need is a good idea and smart use of AI tools available now. You can build a real scalable income system, download the free templates, subscribe for more AI income strategies, and step-by-step videos like this. Start building your ecosystem today.